The pop-out effect. So this is the effect of a person appearing to emerge or pop out of a shape. So this effect involves cropping the person from the background of the original image or incorporating the background as part of the shape and positioning the person in a way that creates the illusion of them coming out of the shape or object. Users are naturally drawn to faces, and including pictures of people in your design can increase user engagement and the time spent on your website. Using this effect draws more attention to the faces or people used within your design, which studies have indicated that the brain is just naturally drawn to faces. This makes them a powerful tool for capturing attention and conveying information. It can be really any shape that is commonly used within your brand or design, or even you can play off the shapes within your logo. One tip I would recommend is images of people facing right or left as opposed to like straight on, is to make sure that they're facing the content. So this can subtly guide the user's eye and direct them towards the important elements of your content on your website, as opposed to having them be drawn away from it. Selecting photos of people that resonate with your users is also a very crucial aspect of effective visual communication on your website. So the images you choose should really reflect the diversity, values, and experiences of your target audience, creating a very relatable and inclusive environment. So users see faces that mirror their own backgrounds, lifestyles, or even aspiration. It really fosters a deep connection and a sense of belonging. So by making intentional choices in your visual content, you might not only enhance the user experience, but also convey a message that your brand understands, respects, and values the diversity. This thoughtful approach to image selection contributes to a more emotional and engaging online presence, ultimately strengthening the relationship between your brand and your audience. And since you are reducing the visual clutter by replacing a normally busy background with a simple shape and color, you can add some more elements like icons, statistics, testimonials, or graphics, and this gives you more control over the content you wish to highlight. So while you're making your website feel more informative and thoughtful, the imagery is working more alongside your content and can serve as being more informative as opposed to just a decoration.